welcome back to the channel. My name is Kat. I am the FoodCat.
And I'm Sophia, the SnackCat.
And today we are so very excited because we got one of the mystery snack boxes that we have not yet, but have been patiently waiting for restock, but have not yet reviewed yet. And that is the actual Hello Kitty and Friends mystery snack box. So I'm sure you guys have seen us open up snack boxes like this before. We've done the Japanese one. We've done the Sanrio one, which had Hello Kitty and Friends in it. And we also did the Naruto one. So we are very excited to do the actual Hello Kitty one, right?
Right, it's like Pocahontas Hello Kitty.
So let's go ahead and show you the box one more time and give you the roundabout. So we have it right here, and we have it right here with all the characters, some nice looking flowers and bows.
Yeah, Hello Kitty bow.
Yes, and the characters again.
And my favorite character is the devil one.
Which is Kuromi, I think, is his name, her name, Kuromi.
Yeah, Mommy told me.
And then my favorite has always been Melody. So,
Who's the Melody?
that's the bunny one.
You like the nice one better?
Yes.
Well,
I like the nice version of the one that you like.
Yeah, but she's like an angel and the devil's like a demon.
Yeah. So, every time I go to Las Vegas every summer with my husband, I always have to go to the Hello Kitty food truck there, and I always buy stuff. So Hello Kitty I grew up with, and yeah. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and find out what snacks are inside, right?
Yeah.
So we're really, really excited.
I can't wait what's inside.
Here you go. You're going to see it first. Boom! So let's find out what we're going to try first. So, Sophie, go ahead and pick something.
I think I pick... Wait, there's two for us.
Yeah, that's cool. So we have these cute little, they look like rice cookies maybe.
I think the Hello Kitty cookies.
Yeah.
But they're like a pizza, but a different one. Like this teeny tiny with no like fruit in.
Okay, let me go ahead and pause the video to get the scissors right now, so we'll be right back. Okay, so we are back. I got my scissors.
Those are sharp. Ask for a dog to help.
Yes.
If you're trying to open
Ask
things,
an adult to help.
if you want to open these with sharp stuff.
Good? It's pretty crunchy, huh? Let me try a bite. Yeah, it's pretty good. They have sprinkles, pink sprinkles on top.
Some drop.
It's definitely like a rice cake. Let's move on to the next thing, okay?
Okay.
We could push them up here. What do you pick next? Since Sophie's a snack cat, she's the one who gets to pick what snack we're eating next. Ooh, show the camera.
These are peanut cookies.
Yeah.
But I don't know what they taste like.
So we will find out. Because a lot of it, it says Pandaro brand butter cookies. And a lot of it, you can see it's in Japanese writing.
Yeah.
Because these cartoons and characters and stuff originated in Japan.
There's this one.
Oh, so show them what it looks like.
It looks like a panda laughing.
Very cool. Take a bite. Tell us what you think.
Find it out of you. It's kind of good.
Mmm. Definitely butter taste. Really good. I like those. Okay, what's next?
Oh, it's that pink bag.
What's that pink bag? Ooh, it's got Hello Kitty on it.
And look at her dress.
What color is her dress?
Pink.
That's a dress right up your alley.
Wait, I think the bag is purple or pink. I can't tell.
It looks pink.
Yeah, but I think it's purple.
Okay, let me see. So Sophie's like halfway sitting on me right now. So it says it's flavored chocolate coated pie. So I think it's kind of like maybe the moon pies, but we'll find out. Let me go ahead and cut it open.
I already know it's going to taste good.
She already knows. Because she's a snack cat and she knows her snacks. Okay. Is there more than one? Oh, it's broken. It's broken a little bit.
I think we hold it too hard.
So it's a little broken.
I would taste this part.
Okay, me too.
Yummy. No, eat that. 2 thumbs-ups.
So it is broken. Probably in the shipping. So let me open it a little more because there should be marshmallow inside. There we go. And we're making a mess. Yes, Grandma will clean it up later. You want to try the marshmallow? So good. Okay. Clean up in aisle 3. Clean up in aisle 3.
Thank you, Hello Kitty.
Okay, next. What's the next thing we're going to try? Sorry if the camera moves around, but we are using a table we don't usually use. Ooh.
I think we're going to eat these.
They look like fruit rings.
Yeah, but they get tired.
And I wonder what flavor they are.
I think
Look. I'll just rip it.
Okay.
See it? See the rip mark? There you go. Okay, now open the top.
So it's grape flavor and
Grape flavor. So it looks like it is part purple grape and part green grape. You got it?
Yep.
I think I can. All right. Ooh, it smells so good. It smells like grape. So let me show you what it looks like.
It looks like a icicle.
Ready? 1, 2.
I was gonna break it. There.
That was pretty good. So, like we said, it's the both kinds of grapes, the green grape and the red grape. What's next, Chica? What is that?
Can I open it?
Looks like little chocolate mint things.
Let's open it.
Open it.
Open it. Open it. Open it.
Oh, we did have a tear mark, but oh well. Sorry. So they look like this. They're individually wrapped.
I already opened mine. Oopsie.
It's okay. Oh, it's chocolate matcha, not chocolate mint.
Very good.
So let's find out. I don't like this one. Only because I don't like matcha. The chocolate tastes good, But I'm not a matcha fan. That green stuff, it's not mint, it's matcha, which is a kind of tea.
Yeah, but I don't want to.
Yeah, we'll pass. What's next? Let's find something yummy. Wow.
I think they're like chips, but I don't know what they taste like.
These are mascarpone cheese. I like mascarpone. They feel hard like a chip too, so she's right on that account. So they're probably savory chips,
Yeah.
as opposed to sweet like the candy.
They're not chips.
Oh, these are what they look like.
They look like ice cream, but like a long cone, and the ice cream are melting and trying to fall off.
Or kind of like a little pretzel bite, huh?
Yeah. Like
Ready?
the
Wait, cheers. Pretty good. We'll get a half thumb, yeah. Because the pretzel part of it or whatever, the hard part, it kind of tastes kind of fishy like, huh? It's kind of fishy.
Yeah.
Kind of like a seaweed flavor, but it's not seaweed. But the cheese is good. Okay. What's next?
Oh, I think this one's spicy.
Ooh.
I think I'm not gonna like it. I think I'm gonna give it thumbs down.
Well, the packaging does look like it's spicy. And it looks like they're pretzels.
Spicy pretzels.
It says they're wheat crackers on the back.
But wait, I think if it's spicy and like pretzels, I think they're burning pretzels. Maybe they would taste hot.
Yeah. If they're spicy, I won't like it. So, they have a little tear mark right here. I'm going to try to make it work.
If it's spicy for me, I would tell my daddy to give me a drink.
Well, each of these boxes comes with a drink, so we'll find out. So this is what they look like. Cheers.
Cheers.
No, it's not. It's not spicy.
It's kind of good.
It's a pretzel, but it's kind of has like a honey glaze on it. She gives it a thumbs up. I give it a thumb sideways, only because I don't like pretzels. I like the soft pretzels, but I don't like the hard pretzels. You like hard pretzels, huh? Okay, next. Oh! Isn't that the one you love?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is her favorite treat. We had it in the Scenario box before, and we had something similar to that in the Naruto box. So,
I got it.
watch your fingers. So it does say that it is a gummy. Making gummy. Wow, so it's got the 2 thumbs up. Show them first. So before we had the little hand one. Right?
Yeah.
We had the little hand one like this. And now we have the two fingers.
Push open.
When in doubt, use your teeth.
Huh? I can't do it.
Okay.
My teeth is not strong enough. Thank you.
You're welcome. It smells like cola.
Coca-Cola?
Yeah. So I'm assuming that this is the flavor, that little cup. But like I said, everything is in Japanese.
Can you eat
It's a gummy cola.
You eat the star.
I'm going to eat the star, and she'll eat the ham because she loves the hand. Okay, ready?
Hold on. I'm going to get this free. I do this all the time.
She does this all the time.
It's Mommy Lonely can.
Mommy long leg hand.
I free it because I like it how it's long. Because I like
If you guys watch Mommy Long Leg, what is it on? Poppy's Playhouse?
No, Poppy Playtime.
Poppy Playtime. Comment below your favorite character of Poppy Playtime if you watch it. Okay. Ready?
Ready.
Set. Go.
Mhm.
It does taste like cola. Okay. If you want to, you could set it down.
I ate the hand.
No, she's going to eat it all. Okay. Let me pick something now. I'm going to pick this. It says Wasuka. And it is a premium rolled wafer.
I wonder what does it taste like.
Usually when they say wafer, it's kind of like a cookie. Whoops. Well, it broke, but this is what it is. It looks like there might be chocolate inside.
It's okay.
There's some in there.
You can't break it because we're going to ship.
Yeah, we have to break it anyways because there's only one. Oh, wow. And she got the big piece. Okay, ready? Cheers. That's good. Nice and crunchy. The cream inside is very soft and smooth. Clean up.
No, I got it.
Okay. You ready? Should I pause the video or are you almost done? Okay, what's next? There's still a lot more in this box.
The chocolate chip.
So you could buy these boxes at World Market.
The chocolate chip.
They're chocolate chip cookies.
Shh.
Well, he's at work. Goofy.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, choco chip cookies. And they're usually $40, $39 and some change or something. But yeah, we love these boxes.
There was the other one.
Okay, so here's the cookies. Cheers. Look at that.
I got a small bite.
Oh yeah, that's really good. Okay.
I think I'm kind of thirsty, so let's get a drink.
Okay. So we're going to skip some of the other stuff and try a drink.
Yep.
This is the Hello Kitty.
Here you go. You get the water one and I will get the
So there's
one.
two of them. And these, we could try both. And these are the marble drinks. I actually like the Hello Kitty Fizz soda that comes in the can better than these ones.
I will open this one.
Okay, so basically here it is. The marble stuck in here. You use the cap that you take off. You put upside down.
It's a good thing it didn't fall.
And it shows you the directions on the thing. And then you're supposed to push it. Wait, maybe we're doing something wrong. Hold on. I think we're supposed to take this part off. Oh, we take this part off. somehow.
I can't do my finger and I can't get stuck if this can't go out.
So you take this off.
Ooh, I pushed it right here.
And then you push this down. Be careful. Because it's going to explode, remember? Like last time.
I can't do it. I'm not strong enough. Can you help me?
Yeah.
Mm. This is good. Let's taste the water one.
I like the red one better than the white one. But, yeah. You alright?
Yeah. It went in my hand in my
Yeah,
mouth.
so it's very extremely carbonated. We're going to set these to the side.
I think I exploded that one.
And they have the marble inside.
Yeah, because we pushed it down, but it can't go through this hallway.
Okay, so next item.
Okay.
She's like, I'm going to finish all the snacks. No, we still have more to try. Ooh, okay. So these are little biscuit cookies. We've had these before, but this is a huge package.
Yeah, that's why you need to do it far so you can see it. Because it's close enough. So you can put it too close
So
because
these,
you can't see the house.
yeah, so these are rice crackers, and it says on the back, these Hello Kitty crackers have a wonderful light and
I
crispy.
think you need the scissors.
No, I'm gonna read it first. Light and crispy texture. They are baked and are then seasoned to offer a delicious mix of sweet and salty. They come several to a pack, so you can share them. Share these great tasting snacks with your friends, or just keep them all to yourself. Very cool.
Be careful for the snack. We don't
You
want
be careful, yeah. Watch your fingers. Okay.
Oh, you
Yeah.
know what's take long? We got those too.
Yep.
I was
So this is a whole pack that we could share with all our friends.
thought there was going to be one
Mhm.
from I was going to get two, but there was two here.
Yeah. So she thought there was going to be individually wrapped, just one per package, but there's two per package. So you just love using the scissors. I see that. Oh, they broke.
I think there was one. I couldn't get two.
So, I like these. They're sweet and salty, like the package said. They have a nice, they have a nice crunch. They're not like thick. They're very airy. I like that.
Watch me.
She put that whole thing in her mouth. Okay, what's next? We only have a couple more things left. I know this is a long video, and I'm sorry. These are the last two items in the box. So, and I wonder who's gonna get our box
I want the chocolate one.
in a box swap.
Wait. Okay?
Yes.
I think this flavor is that one, but next to this one.
Yeah, that's the one. This is, okay, so this is green tea flavor.
I think I'm
Which-
not going to make it.
I don't like green tea, just like I don't like matcha,
Can
so.
you open this?
You hear that? This is hers. She already claimed it. And let me see. And this is chocolate flavor. So, for the sake of trying snacks, which is what we do, right? I will try the matcha ones. You have to at least have one little bite, okay? So it comes in these little, oh, Hello Kitty on it.
Oh, I didn't see that. I didn't see you, Hello Kitty.
And then let's go ahead and do a corner like that, okay? Whee! You almost poked my eye out. Glad I have my glasses on. So they do look pretty. And I know a lot of people like green tea, but I don't like tea in general.
Well, it's just...
And then I like the fact that you can reseal the box.
Look!
Yeah.
Is this fine?
Yeah, that's fine. So I'm gonna, you want a bite? A little bite? You don't want to try it at all? Not even a little bite?
No.
Okay, I guess I'm here all by myself.
Mmm.
You're not gonna like it.
Mm.
It tastes kind of like seaweed. I've had seaweed before, and when they have it in the pack, it doesn't taste as fishy or salty. Oh, you like it? You like green tea?
Well, I don't like this one. I like
Yeah,
this
that's
one.
different. Yeah, this is green tea. That's matcha. So let me try the chocolate. Mmm. I like chocolate. Thank you. So anyways, that was our box. Go ahead and comment below what your favorite item out of all these items were. What was your favorite, Sophie?
The drinks and this.
My favorite item was the panda cookie, because it tastes like butter. And probably these, because these are nice. This one was pretty good, but yeah, probably the panda and these cracker cookies. So we will see you guys next time. Remember, be hungry for food, stay hungry for life, and spread kindness wherever you go. And stay tuned for more content from us, because we have some good things coming your way from us. And what do you want to say?
Thank you for watching this video.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to make a scene.
And what else do you say?
Put the subscribe button and click the bell if you want to see some more SnackCat Saturdays videos.
And that's it.
And heart the comments.
And heart in the comments. Bye, guys. Say bye.